Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today I am sitting at the new table and chairs in a Grand Design Imagine 3100 RD. Brand new floor plan, great setup, little dividing wall from the living area to the kitchen. New decor, their new Pebble decor, new cabinetry, new look all the way around. So great new floor plan. Let's take a look. All right, so starting on the outside, you see the nice front cap, LED lights. New decor on the outside, the white with the black logos. 3100 RD, they put the nice decal right there on the hitch. You're looking at 20, 30 campers going up and down the rows. Hard to keep track of them. Just something simple like that lets you know exactly what you're looking for, saves you time when you're looking at campers. Power tongue jack, two 20-pound LP bottles, spot for 2 batteries. You are prepped for solar. So here, portable solar panel plugs in, we'll charge the batteries. Slam latch compartments, nice and thick, well insulated. Magnetic latches. Looking inside, you see motion sensor lighting, wide open pass-through storage, battery disconnect, outside shower, your water and cable, everything you can feed right through the bottom. Keep that door shut, keep it nice and warm inside. 3100 RD has a dry weight, 7,786 pounds. You do have a black tank flush, 50 amp service. We did equip this with 2 air conditioners. Nice convenience light right by your pull valves for the sewer. You do have a range hood exhaust on the outside. Nice long slide out. All 4 corner stabilizer jacks. Bumper mounted spare tire. Factory installed roof ladder for access for maintenance on the roof. You are also prepped for a backup camera. So tight squeeze back here, but you will see your spray port. Hook your outside spray port there on the back. So you got the outside shower on one side, spray port on the back. Make it as convenient for you as possible. You do have a spot for an outside TV, receptacle and cable hookup. Full length outside awning, which is power with LED lights, and you do have outside speakers. Step above, 3 entry step. Adjustable legs, goes right down to the ground. Very stable. Friction hinge door. Wherever you leave that's where the door stays. You do want it all the way back. There's no latch. It's just a magnetic clip. Keeps it propped open for you. Don't have to worry about it. Other side of your pass-through storage. Again, very clean, well lit. You do have receptacles, and again, motion sensor lighting. Real quick on these steps. Lift them right up into the camper, nice and clean, no exposed frame. Locking pin. And you're good to go. So we'll go in and take a look. Whoa. Before I take you inside, to have a look around, do me a favor, give a like, thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Thanks again. Entering into the 3100 RD. You'll see rear lounge, new decor, new fascia board with accent, cabinet hardware, lighter furniture. That was a complaint on some of the early 2020s and previous models. But this being a brand new floor plan, let's check everything out. Countertop extension on the kitchen. Nice large stainless steel sink. With the spray head. Tons of storage in this kitchen area. Receptacles throughout. Large gas electric refrigerator. Flush mount cover on the range. LED lights on the oven. That cover acts as a splash guard when it's up. Nice deep drawers. More countertop space. So a nice feature here, the pots and pans drawer. So you place these pegs around your pots and pans, keep them from moving around, keep everything in place. All right, so on the dinette, tabletop spins. So sitting four comfortably right here. You can pull the table out, spin it, and lock it in place. And then these two extra chairs, you can fold up and remove them, put them under the bed. And now you've got a spot for two comfortably. Plugs and USB close by. Great idea here. Again, you've got the ability to do a lot of different things with this table. You've got a family member that's in a wheelchair or a walker that needs some more room. You've got your own chairs you want to bring. You've got that option here. So a lot of different things you can do. Two chairs here, one chair, and you've got a high chair for a kid or somebody else you can put on the side. So nice new feature here. You're not just limited to sitting two or four. Got a lot of different options. Going into the living area. So opposing slides. Both sofas open up into beds. We'll take a look at that. All right, so real quick setup and breakdown of this trifold sleeper sofa. Nice soft back, Velcro tabs, hook right to the back of the sofa. Lift from the bottom, you got two adjustable legs. They fold down to make a bed. You've got storage down low underneath, so pillows, linens, the backs to the sofa can go in there. Drop those down, and you got a nice sleeping area here. Same thing on the other side. If you put both down, you still have room in between the two sofas. So before you lay down to go to bed, you've got room here to get up, walk in between. So you can see that there is just enough room to walk through. So real quick, putting them back up, lift the backer. They're very lightweight, so if one of the kids is sleeping on it, They can also help set up and break this down. And there it is. Set up and break down that trifold sleeper sofa. Large flat screen TV. Electric fireplace. You can see right here your stereo, AM, FM, CD, DVD player. It does have Bluetooth. Needs some WD-40. Overhead storage. The TV directly across from that theater seating. So nice, comfortable Thomas Paine recliners. I would sit in it, but I don't want to fall asleep. Little storage. Blackout shades. Nice roller shades. Overhead lighting. So nice lounge area. Nice open space with that light linoleum flooring. Heading down the side hallway, you'll see solid door closes off the bathroom, as well as the master bedroom. And it does have magnet latches that hold them closed for you. Before we go in, you'll see the convenience area right here in the hallway. Control your slide rooms, your awning, your tank heaters, and all your lights. Going into the master bath. Exhaust fan. Nice cubby hole storage for towels or anything you can think of. Retractable shower door. Nice feature to keep as much of that water in the shower and not on the floor as possible. Very open overhead skylight. More storage and a towel bar. Just talking about the shower space. I mean, plenty of room. Again, I'm being 6'5". I'm right at the edge of the skylight, and obviously I can see right over the top, but at eye level with the shower head. Enough room to turn around and spin. Plenty of drawers and storage. Receptacles in the bathroom and nice vanity. Little window in the hallway definitely opens it up, gives you some natural light. Going into the master bedroom, get you some lights. You'll see a spot for a second TV. Your second AC is ducted in. Tons of storage. Hanging storage. Nice deep drawers. You do have receptacles on both sides of the bed and a USB charging area. Queen walk around bed. Does have the shocks that hold the bed up. And there's obviously the spot for your fold up chairs. You do have LED lights, and you have the option of night light, spotlight, or off. So nice options. And then the soft touch headboard, as well as more storage here. So more hanging and drawer storage in the master bedroom. So great new floor plan by Grand Design. This Imagine. A lot of people have been looking for living room, kitchen separation. Well, here it is. Brand new 3100 RD Imagine.